Hey guys, PokeKid18 back with another card opening with Twilight Masquerade. And last time we got OK pulls. And if you want to see what Dark Kiddo got on his channel, I'll put it in the description down below. Okay, let's check these out. Okay, we're gonna do this one first. Now, pokes me. Blood Moon Ursaluna. Like this from last time. Code card. Anybody wants to use it. Don't really want it. One from the back. Basic energy. Glimlet, Thwacky, Helios, Ducklet, Brute Bonnet, Community Center, Iron Bundle, Applin, Clefable, and an EX Terra Greninja. Look at that. That's actually kind of cool. Kind of fire. 310 HP. Oh, just look at that. Look at the art. Look at the corners. That's actually really cool. Okay. That's our best pulls in these two videos. Well, two videos. Let's see what's in the next pack. Okay, we're gonna do this one next. The Sinistra. Try to open this up. Code card if anybody wants it. Okay. Grass. Girafarig, Phantom, Froakie, Slugma, Diplin, oh crap, Jamming Tower, Glaceon, Poliwag, oh that's kind of sick, Lana's Aid, another Iron Leaves, okay. This is a really cool card as well. So, Lana's Aid. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so we got some good cards like this. Applin, Poliwag, and Iron Bundle. Those are some good cards as well. Iron Leaves and Clefable and Brute Bonnet. Those are some good ones. And Greninja, there's Greninja. And then Lana's Aid, which is $37 ungraded, and if I get it graded it could be up to like 150 bucks. So I want to keep this as good as possible. So got some good cards, best two cards, better than my last pull. If you want to go see that, check it out on my channel, last video uploaded. So peace and good luck on these. Try to find these. Peace.